So that seems fine. So just click on apply. So we just check now on the report. So we click on reports, Sun Video. So still 67,555. So we'll just go to workspace and the data sets, and we click on refresh now on Sun Video. So that's the time now, 1907, 1907. So we go to the report now, see if it has been updated. So no, it has not been updated. 67,555 still. So this is where we click on the refresh button here. Refresh this page here. Straight away you see the 500,000 has been added to Keel. The report has successfully been updated. The data set has been updated. The only thing is we don't have the other filter over here. So that's an entirely separate issue. We had a filter on our PBIX file in the desktop for our product category. But at least our sales figure for Keel has correctly increased to 567,555.